AMSOIL Signature Series Synthetic Automatic Transmission Fluid. Designed for hard-working vehicles that live in severe service. Handles heat so well, you can confidently double your vehicle manufacturer's severe service drain interval with guaranteed AMSOIL protection. Transmissions in commercial vehicles, SUVs, trucks and vans, particularly those used for hauling or towing, are subjected to severe service operation and increased heat. Elevated temperatures cause fluids to break down, allowing damaging metal-to-metal contact and the formation of sludge and deposits. The problem is worse in modern transmissions with more gears, clutch packs and narrow oil passages that require clean, high-quality fluid to achieve maximum performance in life. AMSOIL Signature Series Synthetic Automatic Transmission Fluid is specifically formulated to withstand the rigors of heavy towing, elevated temperatures and challenging terrain. It remains fluid in sub-zero temperatures and provides reserve protection during heavy use and abuse. To order, visit OILPROTECH.com or follow the link in the description. OILPROTECH is your online independent AMSOIL dealer offering industry-leading high-performance synthetic lubricants and fuel additives. To order, visit OILPROTECH.com or follow the link in the description. Thanks, have a great day.